Hello, my name is Robert Ellwood. I'm the CEO and founder of Drobots Company. Drobots Company was formed back in 2013, and we wanted to make technology fun, something that could be interacted with in a way that was three-dimensional, not just on a computer, and also something that wasn't just on a ground like the robots that we traditionally see. And so that's what we dedicated and surrounded ourselves with our company mission about facilitating, which was the delivery of drone curriculum and lesson plans to kids all over the country. We did so in a way that taught safety first, the general mechanics of how a drone works, and then the fun that can happen with a drone in a traditional classroom setting. Lastly, we apply applicability to real-life learning and real-life opportunities, which means once you get into high school or beyond college, you or somebody you know could show a real interest in a pathway that could lead you to working with drones and drone technology in the future to provide an abundance and plethora of solutions that currently drones are solving, but also set up to solve in the distant and near future. So, Camp BizSmart teams, here's what I'm looking for. I want you to wow me with your most creative and futuristic robotics drones that will enhance the learning environment in schools and after school programs and anywhere where kids are learning. And I want those students coming out working with these drones saying, we can't wait to come to school and we can't wait to use the robotics and the drones that we've created here. We can't wait to interact with them and get them flying in the air. That is the outcome I'm looking for. And so the only way to do that is to take your drone, your robot, this educational piece of equipment, and just make it simple. Keep it simple. Protect what we've spoken about, okay? And make sure that a child from 9 years old, 10 years old, 8 years old, all the way up to a high school student feels very comfortable after a few times touching the controls or whatever you decide to use to control the drone, and that they feel like they have a basic understanding to at least achieve and get the small wins. A small win could be taking off and landing in the exact same place. A small win allows us to progress and go to that next step. If we don't get those small wins, you'll never get the big win, and that's what's frustrating. So that's your goal, eliminate the frustration. And lastly, out of all of this and why I wanted and am so excited to be included and my entire team here at Drobots to be involved is we want you to have fun. Have a lot of fun creating a Drobots drone. If we're able to accomplish that, then we've done it. We've solved the case, so to say, or at least we've gotten ourselves onto the podium so that we can take this further. And that means you have to have fun and you have to experiment. Don't be afraid to break things. You know, that's another sign of an entrepreneur. Go do it, have some fun, dive in there, see what you can do. Have one person always be the contrarian. You know, some person who always says, well, what about this? And the other person says, yeah, well, what about this? Have a healthy dialogue, but go out there and just do it and have the best time of your lives. That's what we try to do every day here at Drobots. If you're able to do that in this case study, it's gonna be successful, you're gonna learn something, and you're gonna provide something for others, not only near you, but all over the world that can enjoy what you have produced. Have fun, good luck, I can't wait to see the outcome.